Big news for Indian students aiming to study in the United States. The US Embassy has announced that thousands of student visa appointments have now been made available across all Indian consulates: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and Hyderabad. This announcement was made via the embassy's official account on X, formerly Twitter, under what's being called Mission India. These appointments are a major relief for aspiring students who are facing long wait times, heightened scrutiny, and growing uncertainty over their academic futures in the US. The go-to portal for all student visa-related procedures is the US Travel Docs website. This is where applicants can find everything from the steps to apply for a non-immigrant visa, document requirements, application fee details, to how to book a visa interview at any US consulate or embassy. The US Embassy in New Delhi is one of the largest American diplomatic missions in the world and oversees these activities across all regional consulates in India. Currently, visa wait times remain a concern for many. The US Department of State provides monthly data showing the average wait time for non-immigrant visas and upcoming visitor visa appointments. For real-time updates, students can refer to the Global Visa Wait Times table online. America continues to be the top destination for international students, particularly from India, but that status has taken a hit. A student visa crackdown during the Trump administration triggered major concerns. Cases of revoked F1 visas, termination of SEVIS records, and forced returns of students added to the anxiety. Some of these records were reinstated, but not without confusion and legal wrangling. US Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, also issued an internal memo outlining the process to be followed before students are sent back post-visa revocation. Meanwhile, fresh concerns have emerged about the future of the OPT, or Optional Practical Training program. This initiative allows international students to work in the visa after graduation and gain real-world experience. But a new bill titled Fairness for High-Skilled Americans Act of 2025 has been introduced in Congress, seeking to end the OPT program altogether. That move, if passed, could change the equation for students looking to use OPT as a pathway to build their careers in the US. Professor Chris R. Glass of Boston College has analyzed recent data from SEVIS, the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. His research reveals a sharp 11.33% drop in the number of international students in the US between March 2024 and March 2025. These findings were published by the Association of American Universities. With rising uncertainty, many students are already exploring other countries as alternative study abroad destinations. So is the US still worth the risk? While the visa appointments are a step in the right direction, the future of OPT and broader immigration policies will decide whether America can truly retain its appeal for Indian students. Until then, the race for student visas and the search for stability continues.